Hello and welcome back with a new episode. In this episode, I'm going to tackle the insulation in the van. I will start first with the cabinet. So first is by removing the driver seats and the passenger seats. As you will see, there is quite a bit of rust underneath it. So I need to treat and fix that before moving on the insulation and vapor barrier install. Removing the seats can be a bit tricky because of all the wires underneath the seats. Make sure to handle them carefully to avoid causing any damages. So let's get started.
So guys, now we are removed the chair and see here all is rust. Here it was hidden place to rust to start, so no one look at it. So I will cover it with isolation and see the rust here, the rust under the chair. All these I need to fix it. Anyways, so we need clean up. So here I have started to remove this panel that is above the driver's seat to insulate behind it with the vapor barrier. The floor, I have tried all the rust on the floor and I have painted, so I have to wait a bit to dry the paint so I can insulate the floor as well. This panel I will remove it, insulate behind it and put it back again. So now we have removed this panel. Now I have to give it a good clean so I can stick the vapor barrier on the metal. If it's dirt, it will be very difficult to stick the vapor barrier on the metal. That's why you have to give it very good clean so it will stick good on the metal and it will not be easy to remove it. So now I have isolated here, inside, here, here, and all inside this panel. Everywhere here is isolated as well. Here inside, see, perfect. Now I'm gonna put this. I will start to put these nuts here and then isolate it. Isolate all this. Okay? Like that. It takes time, huh? Take it easy, no rush. Now I installed the 4mm. So let's see. I try to put it in places that it fits without making holes. So yeah. I wanted to put all these rev nuts before I put the vapor barrier, just because it will be much easier to find all these existing holes and will not make new holes. So now, as you see, these nuts here, here, and here. Yeah. Always make sure to give it a very good clean before you start your installation, especially when you use vapor barrier. So it will be sticky and it will stick very good on the metal. If it's dirt, it will be very hard to stick on the metal. That's why a good clean is a must. There, see? Now it is well isolated. So so today it's very rainy outside, so I have a lot of things here in the car, and as you see it's raining outside, so I have some lights here. So today I will continue here. I will work with this, put some rev nuts with this. I will put this and I'll make holes here and put all this here. So let's put it, then I will isolate it here. So here, 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 and this is like that. See, I put these nuts everywhere, the same here. And now after I put this, so now I put this sound bedding. So I have some bits here. Now, let's go. So guys, as you see, I did the isolation and it's very annoying work. Cut and try to fit and then fill it with the foam, and it's very annoying, so that's why I skipped it. After we did this, the screw holders and the screws, as you see here, I did this isolation. The isolation is very annoying work actually. I decided to skip that just because it's very annoying to film and very annoying to work with, and so I did the filling with the foam filler. As you see here, I need to cut them. Oh, today it's very sunny and it's amazing, so we can do a great job when it's sunny like that. Anyways, so I did the isolation. The isolation is done. We're gonna do isolation for the doors as well, but not right now. Now I done with the isolation on the sides, and I will cover it with this because I don't want any metal to be exposed, because the metal will transform all the heat or the cold to inside. So I will cover it with this. So let's start to put this isolation on this side. So guys, let's start to put this isolation here as well to cover all these.
Now we are done. I think it's great. I didn't have enough to cover this side and this part of it, but I will put wood from here up to there, so I don't need to cover this one. Anyways, this side is perfect, see, and this side as well. Here is place for the fuse box on the left and fuse box here on the right. Okay, I will put the same isolation from this one on the roof, but before I do that I need to put the roof rack. I need some time to fix the roof rack because it's DIY, so until then I will wait to finish the roof rack, because if I cover it here I will not be able to fasten the roof rack from these screws.